Hey guys, this is Chef Christian Yi and I'm here to show you how to break down a chicken. Right here I have a chicken like the one that you will buy in the grocery store, and it's really simple. So the first thing is that we're going to cut actually the top, and make sure your knife is sharp. It's really important that your knife is sharp for this. So the first thing is that you cut right here, okay? And once you have it cut and split this way, you can flip it over to make it easy. You will cut this backbone that you got right here behind, okay? Just a little pressure, okay? Same on the other side. Once you're finished cutting the backbone, okay? Then from there, what we're going to do, this half chicken, we're going to cut it in your drums, your thigh, and your breast. So between your breast, right here, is where you can go with your knife, between your breast and your legs. You go in between. And now you have your legs, you have your breast. So between your drum and your thigh, there's a joint right there that if you find, it's really easy to cut. And I see a lot of people struggling, especially in the kitchen. But once you find that, see how simple it is to cut. It's really simple. So now I got my drum, I got my thigh, and I will do the same thing with the other legs. And when you find that joint, you know, it will be really simple to cut. Like so. So now I have my two drums, I have my thigh, and then you can go and get the wing out if you want. Sometimes I like to leave it just like that and do it completely, but I'm going to show you. This is a little tricky because you gotta find that joint too, in between, right here. And now you take the whole wing and you got full breast right here, okay? The same thing you will do with the other breast if you want. Find the joint between the wing and the breast, cut it, and now you have it. This is the easiest way that you can break down a chicken, and I hope this video is helpful. And if it was, please hit like, follow us, and please share, and I will bring more contents on how to do tips and trips in the kitchen. Thank you. This is Chef Christian Yi.